everyone, my name is Sabrina. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are discussing yarn swap. Yes, we are. I did a yarn swap with someone called Monica Buch, and I received her package a few days ago. Yeah. As tempted as I was to open it, I decided to wait. Yes, I waited until Monica received her package. And she did yesterday. And she made a lovely video. So go check it out. I will try and link her channel in the description box below. And she is a super lovely lady. Yes, she is. I really enjoy this person. And her videos are lovely. She does a lot of unboxings as well of different yarns. And I do enjoy her channel. And yeah, so go check her out. So now I am open to ready my pack. Oh, I am super excited. And you know what I'm so happy about is that the yarn I sent her, she loved it. I was a little bit nervous, but turns out she loved it. So super bonus. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. I need to be careful because I don't want to cut anything. Here are my trusted scissors. I say trusted, I don't know yet. Or do we need scissors? I think a little bit, yes. Maybe to initially cut the top of the envelope. Oh, I need to be careful, yeah. I nearly cut something I didn't want to cut. And it's really hitting me right there, my favorite color. Yes, it is. Oh, wait a moment. There is a card. Card first, you know, the card first. Yes. So, I will put this down because otherwise I will drop it. My favorite color is right there. The envelope is quite big. I wonder what's inside. I wonder what's inside. I will not allow open it, right? Let's open it, guys. Oh my goodness. Beautiful card. I know there's something inside, but I want to show you the card. It is so pretty. Look, beautiful butterflies. I do love butterflies. I really do. And wow. Hi Sabrina. Hope you enjoy all the goodies I have sent. Hugs, Monica. Oh, thank you so much, Monica. This was completely unexpected. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful, you guys. I need to definitely show you this. Oh, beautiful stitch markers. Absolutely divine. Wow. She has spoiled me. She really has. Oh my goodness. Right. I will show you the wonderful stitch markers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those, which can be used for knitting. I will try and use the envelope for this. So let's see. 5 different stitch markers for knitting. I think this is for knitting. There they are. Look at those. Aren't they amazing? Look, different color things. Ah, there we are. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay, but that's not all. Oh, no, no, no. There is also a seahorse. Look at the seahorse. Beautiful seahorse. And there is also a unicorn. Yes, it's a beautiful, beautiful unicorn. I'll try and show you this. This is beautiful. It is hard to show. There. Beautiful. And there is also, oh, there's a beautiful bee. Look at that beautiful bee. It's a bee. Beautiful bee, be happy. And there's another 3 amazing stitch markers which cannot be used for knitting and crochet equally, just like the bee. Yeah, they are amazing, amazing. Look at those. Wow, Monica, thank you so much. I really, really did not expect all that. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I am really quite overwhelmed. I'm just I will be using those a lot. Thank you so much. Ah, okay. Now my favorite color can come out and play, right? It is. I've never used that kind of yarn before. It's so soft. So this is Lion Brand Hometown. And the colorway is, what is it? I don't know. I might be a little bit blind. What is it? It is Cincinnati Red. I like the name of that. Cincinnati Red. It's beautiful. So soft. And, you know, I have never used it. So I will really enjoy this. Look at this. Oh, look at this red. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful red. Yes, it is. I really, really love red. My favorite color of all time. I just need to see red and I go crazy, you see? It doesn't take much for me to get crazy, right? Okay, there's a lot more yarn. Are we ready for this? Yes, there's more red. Wow, we have some Lion Brand shawl and a ball. I've always wanted to try that. And this is Feng Shui Gray. I think this is how you pronounce it. Feng Shui Gray. Anyway, this is gorgeous. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the different grays. Wow. And everyone might be, you know, very familiar with these yarns, but I'm not. So it's super exciting. Shawl in a ball. I really am excited. So I am guessing that out of this you can make a shawl, right? So you know how I feel about cowls and shawls. This is what I will have to do. A shawl. Amazing. Oh my gee. Wow. Then I've got 2 skeins of Lion Brand Landscape. This is just wow. And the colorway is Apple Orchard. Orchard? I don't know. But beautiful. 2 skeins of this. And in the skein, I see two knitting needles. Oh my goodness. Wow, they are beautiful. Beautiful. So I will show you the yarn. Wow, I really am blown away. Look at this. Look at the colors. That's serious gorgeousness. Look. Beautiful. And I don't think my camera is showing you. I think it's the light. It's a bit dark today, so I don't think the colors are showing like they're meant to. Look at that beautiful green. It's not as green as it is in real life. Look at that! Beautiful. Wow. Now I got two of those. Oh, and there were two knitting needles inside. They are beautiful. Look at those. Look at the tip. They're purple. Amazing. I've never seen knitting needles like this. Beautiful. And they are 5 millimeter. Perfect. Yes, perfect. Thank you so much, Monica. Oh, so lovely. Oh my goodness. And there's more. There's more. Oh, this feels like cotton. It does feel like cotton. Oh, it is Karen. Karen? Cotton cakes. See, I knew it was cotton. Karen cotton cakes. I've also wanted to try that for ages. Wow. Is there a colorway to this? Rose Whisper. Rose Whisper. I love the sound of that. Look at the colors. They are just gorgeous. Again, I don't think the colors are showing like they should. They're not as dark as I would like them to be. It looks a lot lighter on camera. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, I am super happy. Thank you so much, Monica. And there is some more. Oh, this feels so soft. Wow. And it is so darn soft. Oh my goodness. It is. I don't know. Soft and shiny. And the colorway is red. There we are. That says it all. Red. But it is a beautiful, beautiful red. It's very similar to the other one, in fact. Very similar to this red. And I will, but it's a tiny bit darker. But anyway, this is gorgeous and it's so soft. There's two skins of it. Look. Oh, this is beautiful. Now we'll put those two together, you see? Very similar. This one's a tiny bit darker than this one. But look. Ha ha. And. Ha ha. Oh, what a wonderful yarn swap. That is so much fun. And in here, there's a free pattern apparently. I don't know if the pattern is inside. Yes, it's inside. So I will check it out. Free pattern. Yes, we like free patterns. So, wow. I wonder if this is the pattern that's on the front for a blanket. I don't know, but I will find out. This is amazing, Monica. Thank you so much. I am just completely blown away. I just really, love all these yarns. And honestly, I can't wait to get started and experimenting with all these yarns and make some things. And of course, I will be making videos on the finished items when they're done, and I can't wait to show them to you. Wow, I really want to just cuddle them. They are so soft, so soft. Oh, but thank you everyone for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this wonderful yarn swap video. And a massive thanks to Monica Buch. Please everyone go and check out her lovely channel. Her link, I will try and put it in the description box below, someplace down here. So thank you everyone again. And until the next time, happy knitting and crochet!